In just 4 months, this place has transformed from acres of empty rockland to world's largest two-wheeler factory. The Ola Future Factory Phase 1 is nearly completion. The scooters are coming soon. Great work by Team Ola Electric. After this tweet, the whole electric vehicle industry, especially for electric scooter industry in India, changed fully. The Ola Electric will be next market disruptor in Indian scooter industry. In this range, the main rival models are Ather 450X and TVS iQube, Bajaj Chetak. Ola Electric upcoming factory that will be world largest two-wheeler production facility according to Ola Electric Mobility. The company's group CEO, Mr. Bhavesh Agarwal, recently shared a picture of the mega electric scooter factory on Twitter and confirmed that the first phase of construction is near to finish. There are some other exciting announcements are coming from Ola Electric Mobility that for its electric scooter. The company had announced their plan to reveal its hypercharger networks in all over India. That will be world largest electric two-wheeler charging network with over 1 lakh charging points spread across 400 Indian cities. In just 18 minutes, the upcoming Ola electric model would be good enough for a 50% charge. That will give around 75 km of range. In single charge, Ola electric scooter can provide a 150 km of range. With the recently announced revision in the government FAME2 scheme, Ola electric scooter will get this benefit also. According to the news, the upcoming Ola electric scooter is expected to be priced in India at close to rupees 1 lakh. In this current scenario, many companies are coming with their electric models. It's obviously benefit the customers. Now let's see how other companies are coming with their models. For more EV related videos, please subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon and the like button.